Nehemiah 8:10, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. Nehemiah, the walls of Jerusalem had come down, and because the walls had come down, the children of Jerusalem, the people of Jerusalem, they were kind of, the elements could get to them, the people around them could get to them. And so Nehemiah saw that and said, we got to do something about this. I'm just not feeling right. I'm not feeling comfortable. We have to rebuild these walls. Well, let me tell you something about the wall.